About this item: 8-in-1 power strip. This surge protector with 5 widely outlets, 1875W/15A, and 3 USB charging ports, total 5B/3.1A, can power up 8 electrical devices simultaneously. Widely spaced outlets are separated enough to fit big adapters without blocking each other. Is ideal for computer, TV, and other household electrical devices. Power strip with USB. This surge protector with 3 USB charging ports provide 3.1A/15.5W in total. Built-in smart charging technology that detects and deliver an ideal input current of up to 5V/2.4A. The actual current is decided by the demand for the devices. 5 surge protector outlet with 3 complementary surge protection circuits, TVs, transient voltage suppressor, MOV, metal oxide or restore, GDT, gas discharge